Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add and edit Google Chrome homepage shortcuts. So as you can see here, I'm in Google Chrome, guys. And once you're on the homepage, to add them or to edit any, you can easily do that. So let's start with adding. So if you look right below the search here, you can see there's an add button and it says add shortcut. You can click on that and you can type the name of the website that you want. So let's say I want to add, for example, YouTube. I can go ahead and add YouTube. And of course, you need the URL of YouTube, and that's basically youtube.com. So if you have the website URL, you can either type it in or just, visit the website, get the URL, simple click and done. And as you can see, it's added right here. So at any point in time you want to visit YouTube, you can click on that and it's going to take you right over to the website of YouTube or any other website that you choose to visit. Let's go back now to edit those. If you have multiple and you want to edit them, all you have to do is simply hover over it. You'll find three dots. As you can see, click the three dots and here you have edit shortcut. You can easily go ahead and edit it and say whatever you want, right? So if I want to change this to whatever it is, I can easily go ahead and make changes to it. Let me go ahead and just add something there and click and done, and you will see that I actually added. So that's how you can easily do it. And if you want to remove them, you can always do the same. Click the three dots on the upper right, click and remove, and that's how you remove them as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.